What's up, everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips, bringing you a quick tip. Working on a 2013 Honda Civic, and the customer had a check engine light, and they went to like an AutoZone or somewhere and had it checked out, and it had a lean running condition. They told them they need to buy a mass airflow sensor. They bought a sensor, stuck it on there, still had the check engine light. Let me show you what causes these. 9 out of 10 of these Honda Civics, they have a rubber intake that comes from the throttle body and sets in front of the mass airflow sensor. So that mass airflow sensor, it sits just like this. This is your throttle body. This is your mass airflow. This is your housing that the air filter sits in. And they develop a crack just like this. And what happens is it starts to suck air. So this sensor doesn't get a correct reading, and it puts it in like a lean condition. This is a replacement hose for it. This came from, I think, Advance, literally $17. So guys, if you have a code that's causing a lean running condition, make that be the first thing you check. All right, that's it for this quick tip. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.